It's hot, and I know it doesn't seem like small grain weather, but it'll be here before you know it. There's a big reason for calibrating a drill, especially for small grain. With small grain, your seed size can vary greatly. It can be anywhere from 11,000 seed per pound, anywhere to 15 or 16,000 seed per pound. So if you're not calibrating fairly often, at least as you change varieties, you may well be overplanting one variety and you may be underplanting a variety greatly. And that's not good for maximizing economics or production, either one. So we want to try to avoid those kinds of mistakes. Step one. All right, first thing we got to do is you have to decide what your population is going to be. For the purposes of our demonstration today, we're going to plant 1 million seed per acre. To get that into real working terms, we have to find out how many seed that is per square foot. There are 43,560 square feet in an acre, so we're going to divide that number into our million, and that tells us we're going to put 22.9 seed per square foot. Step two. All right, on a 7.5 inch drill, we have to get that into square feet. So, because we plant in linear spaces, not in square footage. So there's 144 inches in a square foot. We divide 144 by 7.5, and that tells us that every 19.2 inches is a square foot of planted area. So now we're getting it down to something we can work with. Step three. I've got to get my wheel circumference into square footage. I've measured my wheel. It's 7.9 feet all the way around. I have marked a spot on my wheel so that I can run exactly 1 revolution. 7.5 feet divided by 1.6 square feet, which is what 19.2 inches equates to, tells me that I'm planting 4.8 square feet every revolution of my drive wheel. To get the output, 4.8 square feet times the 22.9 seed per square foot tells me that we're going to be putting out 113 seed per revolution. Now, when we put the seed in there and we run it, obviously we're going to be really lucky if we get 113 on the first try, but we know what we're after. So if we get 150, we'll back our drill down some. If we get 95, we'll open it up a little bit more until we get that 113 seed per revolution.